Harvest Sunday is coming, November 13th. We will have a full harvest, including the Chronicle, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, the auction, the service, and the food. But come visit the Harvest Chronicle table for information. So, the Chronicle. There are samples so you can get an idea of what to put on there. But it is a place for your message, for your Thanksgiving message, to celebrate a graduation, a birth, a memorial for someone who has already passed on to heaven. You can put in ministries. So if you are part of a ministry team, please think about getting together with your other committee members and doing a page as well. I make it colorful and beautiful. Full page is $100, half page is $50, and if due to the Go Forth Together campaign, money is a little tight this year, just come speak to me because we do want your message, and if you can't, we will make arrangements. We are also looking at a digital copy, but if you do want a physical copy, there is a sign-up sheet. Thank you.